Have you seen one of the newer build luxury homes here in Arlington Heights, which is right in the most desirable neighborhood here in Arlington Heights, Scarsdale Estates? This is a true design build masterpiece. I can't wait for you to see it. It's my pleasure to show it to you. Let's take a look. Whether you're going down or whether you're going up, the sellers designed and positioned this staircase perfectly to add flow and ease as you go from floor to floor. Limestone fireplace in your master suite, check. So if you're looking for an incredible all-brick, custom luxury home, one that's gonna last the tale of times because of the thought and the design build that's gone into this, I wanna invite you to reach out to me. Bring your family here, come by yourself, bring your friends, come take a look at this home. I promise you, it will absolutely not disappoint.